Welcome to the Adobe After Effects video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to remove background from a video and also add a green screen using Adobe After Effects. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. Create a new composition. Change the name and set the duration of the composition accordingly. Import a video and add the video to the timeline. Double-click on the video. A new layer will open here. Change the zoom option to fit. Select the Roto Brush tools. Drag the brush over the person. If any part of the person is not covered, then drag the brush again. Click on the Toggle Alpha Overlay or Alt+6. These tools change the background color to red. Zoom the layer and check person is completely covered by brush tools or not. Select Roto Brush tools again and drag it on the uncovered area. If any extra part is selected, then use the Alt plus left mouse button to remove it. You can use the hand tools for dragging the screen. Change the zoom option to fit. Now press the spacebar from the keyboard for rendering. After completing the process, go to the composition and check by running the clip. Add a new solid, and change the color to green. Now move the green solid to the below track. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.